Hi everyone, so today I'm going to unbox the jbuds wireless earbuds. So as you know, there are a lot of earbuds out there in the market which cost hundreds of dollars, like those of Apples and others, but this one is very good for its price, like 40 something dollars, and if you get 2 years warranty it will be like $60 something. So what I like about this is very easy to handle. The functions are very simple, and as you see, this is the logo. The Look at this case, it's beautiful, like this is the you can charge the case with this cable. And hold on, Abba, please let me do this. Okay, so my son is trying to. So you see, you have to dry your earbuds before you're charging, because when we walk out or things like that, it becomes wet, and then if you charge, you may damage the charger. So see, this is optional. You can put it on or not. Give it to me. Come on, son. Abatish. Come on, son. Okay, sorry about that. My son just took the. So this is the APC. It's nice, very nice and compact, small thing, especially if you are running or walking out. And the sound is amazing. I've already tried it on, and the functions are very, very simple. You have to press both of them at the same time. Press and hold for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. So when the right earbud starts blinking blue and white, and the left one stays white, that means it's ready, paired. So you can pair on your phone, and then it's ready to use. And volume up and down is very simple. If you press the left ear, its volume is down. If you press the right, its volume is up. So as you can see, this is a very beautiful piece. With this case, you can put this on, or you can leave it. So when it's charging, it will blink blue. When it's fully charged, the light will go off. And when you take it out, it automatically pairs. So this is I like this piece for $60, guys. So what do you guys think?